For me, animals and plants become extinct when their natural habitat is destroyed. Number 2, what are some endangered species that are found in the Philippines? Describe each. Tarsiers is one of the endangered species found in the Philippines. Tarsiers have large eyes, large bat-like ears, soft fur, long hind legs, and a long hairless tail. They also have long, thin fingers, with the third finger the longest. Tarsiers can be seen in Bohol. Number 3. Does the poster convince or impel you to do something in your own little way? Why? Yes, the poster can convince me to do something in my own way, like throw my trash in the trash can so that the surroundings can be clean. Number 4, how can you help end the extinction of these animals and plants? In my own way, I can end the extinction of these animals and plants by joining planting activities. I'm going to ask my friends about this too. Hello, Alexandria. What can you say about this question?
When do animals or plants become extinct? Extinction of animals and plants occurs when there are no more animals and plants are alive in the world. What are some endangered species that are found in the Philippines? Describe each. Rafflesia. Rafflesia is one of the endangered species found in Mount Apo in Davao. The plant has no stems, leaves, or roots. The flowers look and smell like rotten flesh. The foul odor attracts insects such as carrion flies, which transport pollen from male to female flowers. The seeds are packed into berries, which contains hundreds of thousands of seeds. How can you help end the extinction of these animals and plants? Never purchase products made from endangered species. Learn about different species of plants and animals. Organize or participate in a Protecting Wildlife Habitat campaign.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts. Hello, Don Jeremiah. What can you say about this question?
Hello, my name is Don Jeremiah Eisen L. Lacanilaw, and I am a grade 5 pupil student from Section Cepheus. And I am with my other group mates, Jan Aden and Alexandria Baloro. When do animals or plants become extinct? Extinction of animals and plants is a natural part of evolution, but sometimes extinction happen at a much faster rate than usual. Number 2. What are some endangered species that are found in the Philippines? Describe each. The Philippine eagle and Philippine forest turtle are some endangered species found in the Philippines. The Philippine forest turtle is critically endangered species in the Philippines. People are hunting the Philippine forest turtle for illegal wildlife trading for pets and food. Question number 3. Does the poster convince or impel you to do something in your own little way? Why? The poster reminds me of the beauty of the nature, which also give me an idea to take care of our environment that serve as a habitat. Question number 4. How can you help end the extinction of these animals and plants? A lot of ways to avoid extinction of the animals, and one of those are proper way of garbage disposal. Avoid using plastic materials like straws that could harm endangered species.
Thank you also for sharing your thoughts. Water is life. Number 1. Which pictures make you think that clean water is important? The first two pictures in the upper part makes me think that clean water is important. Number 2. Are you convinced that something must be done to prevent water pollution? Why? Yes, something must be done to prevent water pollution because water is very important in our life. Number 3. How can you help contribute to the solution of problems brought about by irresponsible or wasteful use of water at home, in school, or in your community? I can prevent water pollution by putting a sign to remind people not to throw their garbage away in water.
Question number 1. Which pictures make you think that clean water is important? The picture 1 and 2 shows importance of clean water because this can be harmful to the human and the animals. Question number 2. Are you convinced that something must be done to prevent water pollution? Why? Yes, because clean water is very important to the environment, and it can also make our oxygen clean, so we will stay healthy. Question number 3. How can you help contribute to the solution of problems brought about by irresponsible or wasteful use of water at home, in school, or in your community? As a student, what I can contribute is to avoid wasting clean water, which has a vital role in our lives.
Are you convinced that something must be done to prevent water pollution? Why? Yes, because water is a highly essential part of our life. Not only does it affect humans, but it is also a very important part of the environment. Water is used for everyday uses, such as showering, using the bathroom, washing the dishes, or other items around the house. It also keeps us hydrated and affects our internal functions, such as digestion. Without water, plants, animals, and humans would die. How can you help contribute to the solution of problems brought about by irresponsible or wasteful use of water at home, in school, or in your community? Turn off the water while brushing your teeth. Keep a bottle of drinking water in the refrigerator. If you wash dishes by hand, don't leave the water running for rinsing. Use a broom, not water, to clean driveways, sidewalks, and steps, and tell people not to play with the hose and sprinklers.